So good afternoon everyone. This is Code with Gaurav and today I'm here with another video and today what we are going to discuss is like Goldman Sachs जो है वो इस बार hiring कर रहा है like a huge hiring for off campus through off campus this hiring is going to be a off campus drive and the students who are eligible for the students who are going to be graduate in 2022 as well as in 2023. So the this hiring is for both and the second thing is like for 2000 the student who are going to graduate in 2023 are going to apply for an internship role and as an intern role, and for 2022 it's a full-time role. So okay, so it's quite exciting. Let's discuss how to apply, where to apply, and all these things, and after that there is a surprise for you all. So let's start the video. Actually in this video like I'm going to tell you how to register, what you have to fill and where what you have to do. So for applying I'll provide you the link in the description, so you can directly go through that link and just simply go through that link and just simply register. So basically what you have to do after clicking that link, you will this page will appear to you all. So actually I'll tell you what is summer analyst, what is new analyst, what is everything. So okay, so what you have to do is just have to go here and whatever, like you have to, if you are a new if you are already registered with Goldman Sachs, then you have to simply log in at Goldman Sachs and if you are not already registered, then you have to simply register here. So just like I am a user, so I'm just simply going to log in. So here I'm just filling my all details. After filling this, like this kind of पेज विल अपीयर टू यू, लाइक ये पेज आपके सामने आ जाएगा एंड इस पेज पे आपने क्या करना है जाके कि सिंपली लाइक यहाँ पे थैंक यू फॉर कंसिडरिंग अ कैरियर एट गोल्डमैन सैक्स एंड हियर you have to click at this here. So after clicking, like if you are a candidate who are going to be graduate in 2023, then what you have to do, you have to apply for summer analyst role. Summer analyst, okay, so summer analyst means you are going to be hired for an intern role. Okay, so again I'm repeating, if you are a student who are going to graduate in 2023, then you have to apply for this summer analyst. Otherwise, if you are a person who are going to be graduated in 2022, then you have to apply for full time and as well as you can apply for other internship as well as. So now we are going to discuss on both these platforms. Actually Goldman Sachs is hiring for its Bangalore campus, and there are 2000 candidates opening for there is an opening for 2000 candidates. Okay, so the next thing is whom have to apply. Okay, so like अगर आप उस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी गोल्डमैन सैक्स का कैंपस आता है, देन प्लीज डोंट गो विद दिस. आपके कॉलेज में आएगा, आप वहां से अप्लाई करके डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट हो सकते हैं. दिस इज ओनली फॉर द पर्संस हु आर जिनके कैंपस में गोल्डमैन सैक्स जैसी कंपनीज नहीं आती हैं. दे हैव टू सिंपली गो थ्रू दिस एंड after I'll tell you what is the selection round, but what you have to gone through for being selected in these internships. So firstly, what you have to do is simply like if you are like I'm applying for a full time. So for example, what you have to do, I just go here and they are asking two things, that is new analyst and this second is new associate. So there is a huge difference between new analyst and a new associate. So new analyst is for the students who are going to be graduated in 2000. New analyst for those who are pursuing their bachelor's right now, and new associate, this one is for one who are pursuing their masters or something else, but they must be like but they must be an experienced one. They have experience of at least 2 years, so they can only apply. Okay, so other than that, you all can, like if you are pursuing bachelor's or something, then you can directly apply for a new analyst role. And for this, what you have to do is simply just have to click on this apply section, and after this you have to fill your all details, like your recruiting year. So recruiting year stands for like whenever your graduation is going to be completed. So this is your recruiting year. So this going to be my 2023 as well as. So here you have to select the both, and this in this particular section you have to select whether you are applying for new analyst or for a new associate. So new associate is for who are pursuing their masters, and new analyst is for those who are pursuing their bachelors. Okay, so there's a difference. So there they have mentioned the same thing. and after this selecting, you have to select your preferred location. You can add another one option as well as you can. Then after you have to fill these basic details. I have already filled there. Are you legally works? Yes, and these kind of details. No, I don't have a passport, and whatever they are asking, you just simply have to fill this. After this, you have to go on the second page. Like you can directly jump from so you can yeah, you can directly jump from this page, save and continue. You can directly jump from this page, that's from save and continue. But here I'm going through this through the link. So there is your contact information. So you have to title whatever you are, Mr., Mistress, and other. After that, you have to write your first name and everything, and you have to fill all basic details. Then after that, you have to this one, you have to fill your education details. You have to select your university, not your college. You have to select your university. So here is your university, and after that your graduation year and all the things. And this one is your grading system. Like in most of the colleges in India, there will be a GPA, which we call CGPA, cumulative GPA. So this will be your GPA. So you have to fill those all details, and after filling these details, you have to select your all the degree or something. And after that, you have to go with the skills and qualification. So in this, you have to select the language which you can speak, like Hindi, English, whatever you can speak, whatever in your proficiency. So you can add another by selecting English. After that, you can speak as well as Hindi, or you can speak as well as like if you know Russian, if you know any of the languages, then you can, if you're British and whatever you know, so you can select those languages. And after that, you have to add your technical skills. And in this technical skill, what you have to do, you have to simply have to click add another. By clicking on this add another, multiple options will create it. For example, like this, I have added C++. I'll type my preferences. After that, I can choose another one. So this is the simple thing. After doing this, you have to upload your resume, and that after that you have to click on the declaration form. So you have to fill the declaration form. So now after declaring, you will have to simply submit that, and after submitting all these details, your form will be submitted, and you will receive a verification email that you have successfully registered. Okay, so this is the case for the students who are going to be graduated in 2022 and applying for the full time. So as well as this is the same going to be with the new intern role. Okay, so this is the same process. You have to go with this. Now अब भाई एग्जाम में क्या आने वाला है, एग्जाम में क्या पूछेगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू ऑल नो Goldman Sachs is a great company and it's offer a great package. So what you have to do in the so you all know that Goldman Sachs is a great company and a huge company, and it offers a huge package for the student. Yeah, so just yeah, this one. Sorry, there's a mic issue with that. Okay, so just 1 minute. Yeah, after that, so आपके पास जो time है, that is from 22 July to 15 August. Till then you can fill these forms, and after that there will be assessment round, and the first round is basically on aptitude. So most of the candidate there will be on 22 August. Like 22 August से आपका aptitude test start हो जाएगा, and if you qualify for aptitude, then you'll go towards the coding round, and then after till you qualify the coding round, then you'll move with the technical HR interview round. So okay, there will be 3 rounds for you. First one is aptitude, second one is coding, third one is technical. Okay, so technical interview round. If you qualify these 3 rounds, and then you will be selected. So I'm wishing you best of luck for all from my end. So just simply go and apply. I'll provide the link in the description, so you can go through this. And in case of any of the queries or any of the doubts, so you can directly ask me in the comment section, or you can contact me through my profile, through my LinkedIn, or whatever you want. So now here is a simple the second thing which I'm going to announce in this, like preparation kahan se karni hai coding round ki. So there is a thing for you. Like here I have started a series. On YouTube, and actually taking live classes here. So you can join these live classes for your coding implementations. Like you can simply go here and just you can go with this one, and you can see these videos. Here I'm taking the live classes, so you can learn from the live classes as well as you can see the recorded one. So this is the course, DSA course, and for this I have prepared my own DSA sheet, which will be I'm going to be uploaded in the next video. Like next video mein main apna DSA sheet GitHub की लिंक सब कुछ प्रोवाइड करूंगा, जहाँ पे मैं ऑफिशियली अपनी खुद की DSA शीट को इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा, जहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स प्लस एज वेल एज सोल्यूशन जिनके मैंने ऑलरेडी कर रखे हैं, मतलब आपको भटकना नहीं पड़ेगा, ऑलरेडी उनके सबके सोल्यूशंस मैंने डाल रखे हैं, आपको सिंपली जाके यहाँ पे वो सोल्यूशंस देखना है। एंड इंक्लूडिंग दैट देयर इज वन एक्साइटिंग थिंग here as well as like जितने प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने यहाँ पे मास में करवाए हैं, like यहाँ पे तो मैं क्या करता हूँ ना, एक क्लास में 4-5 प्रॉब्लम डेली करवा देता हूँ, that will be a good one. This is going to be a, like most of the problems are the problem which were commonly asked in the companies, like you can say Amazon or Facebook and Google and all like this one companies. So just simply go and look into it. If you like, just hit the subscribe button please. And so the second one is, if you want to join this course live, you can also join the live. And the second thing is if you want like and the second thing, on my channel what I am going to do here, like I'm going to make a single like a single video on every day, like हर एक दिन एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा एक प्रॉब्लम के ऊपर. सो दिस ये वाली चीज भी मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो से स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ. आई होप कि लाइक इसी वीक में स्टार्ट कर दूं, एंड जैसे ये स्टार्ट होगा तो ये कंटिन्यूस चलेगा. हर प्रॉब्लम डेली एक प्रॉब्लम आएगा आपके लिए सोल्यूशन के लिए. एंड रियली ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, जो भी मेरे पास, जो भी मैं करवा रहा हूँ, दिस विल कवर द होल ऑल द शीट्स ऑफ लाइक लब बब्बर भैया की शीट ले लो, स्ट्राइवर सर की शीट ले लो, सबकी शीट कवर हो जाएंगी इनकी मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स में. एंड यू कैन सी लाइक मैंने सारी प्रॉब्लम्स लगभग, आप अगर आप देखेंगे तो स्ट्राइवर सर की, सबकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने कवर कर, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इनकी शीट्स में थोड़ी अच्छी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, काफी अच्छी प्रॉब्लम, मतलब ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स काफी अच्छी हैं. सो मैंने वो प्रॉब्लम्स भी करवाई हैं, खुद की प्रॉब्लम्स भी हैं वो भी करवाई हैं, कोड शेफ की भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ले रहा हूँ. एंड बट अभी चल रहा है, शीट चल रहा है, धीरे धीरे चीजें चल रही हैं, एंड विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. सो दिस इज द होल पर्पस. सो प्रेपरेशन के लिए आप यहाँ जा सकते हैं, और भी फ्री मटेरियल बहुत सारा यूट्यूब पे, आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू वांट टू अटेंड दिस कोर्स लाइव, देन यू कैन, आई विल बी अ ट्यूटर हियर. So I'm simply a mentor for this course, so you can simply follow me or whatever you want. So here, this I'm going to sum up the video, and in case if you want to ask any of the queries or any of the doubts, so you can ask. Okay, so bye bye, have a nice day, and best of luck for your preparations. So bye.